In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pieces chess.com. If you're looking to give your chess.com experience a fresh new look, changing your chess pieces is one of the easiest and most enjoyable customizations you can make. Whether you prefer a classic design, a modern appearance, or something a little more creative, chess.com offers several piece styles that can help personalize your games and make the board feel more comfortable to play on. The entire process only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. To begin, open chess.com in your preferred web browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you've reached the main screen, take a look at the bottom left corner of the page. There, you'll find a small gear icon. This icon opens your settings menu and gives you access to the various customization options available on the platform. Go ahead and click the gear icon. When the settings menu appears, you'll see several different options. To access all of the available customization features, select All Settings. This will open the full settings panel, where chess.com allows you to personalize different aspects of your experience, including board themes, sounds, animations, and visual preferences. Once you're inside the settings page, locate the section labeled Board and Pieces. This is the area where all visual board customizations are managed. Click on it to continue. After opening this section, you'll notice multiple tabs available. The tab we're interested in for this tutorial is the Pieces tab. Click on Pieces, and you'll be taken to a gallery of available chess piece designs. Here you'll find a variety of styles to choose from. Some designs have a traditional look that closely resembles tournament chess sets, while others feature more modern or artistic themes. Take your time browsing through the available options. As you select different styles, you'll typically see a preview that allows you to visualize how the pieces will appear during your games. When you find a style that matches your preference, simply select it and click Save to apply the change. Your new chess pieces will immediately become active across your games and analysis boards. If you ever decide you'd like a different look in the future, you can return to the same section and choose another style at any time. Experimenting with different piece sets can make your games more enjoyable and may even improve visibility depending on your personal preference. And that's it. You now know how to change pieces on chess.com in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.